Look what's just arrived. Look at this, beautiful. Such good quality. It looks so great on the side of a hive. 5mm foam back board, UV protection. That's going to stand on the side of a hive for a year, no problem at all whatsoever. We've got 3 sponsors so far. The Highton Agency actually did all the branding, so if you love what you've seen, it's the Highton Agency who have produced this, and big footsie estate agents in London backing the power of the bees. Look at that. Amazing.